Oh, goodness. Bryn, that was crazy jumping. Good morning to you, too. Hi, happy girl. Oh, yeah? She's looking over at Bailey and Milo. See? There they are. Bryn, you want to play with Bailey and Milo? You want to play with them? Nope, I just want to chew on my fingers. Well, that doesn't make for a good video, baby girl. Hi. Hey, baby. You look like you might want a nap. She looked at the parrot. She just wants to look at everything, observe everything. There's Bailey. Bryn, are you looking at your Bailey girl?